I have GA coming down all the way to this level. I had a major Fibonacci level. Let me actually just delete this trend line here real quick, make it real simple so you guys can see it. I had a Fibonacci from A to B, and then I had C up here at the 61.8 retracement. Coming down, got a double top on top of that, came all the way down, and now I have it pushing all the way lower and even taking this low out. Now, I'm not saying it's gonna happen tonight. I'm not saying it's gonna happen tomorrow. I'm not even saying it's gonna happen in 3 days. I'm just saying I look at the long-term perspective of the market. I look at a daily, I do top-down analysis. I don't even look at psychological levels and trade off of that anymore. I still trade off the psych levels, but I don't look at it as, oh, this is a psychological level, so it has to go here and it has to stop right here. No, not at all. You know what I mean? But I do have, based on the confluences I have right now is 1, A, B, C, 27 extensions lined up right here. But 2, this was the last major area it was at before. Let me show you right now. Look at this. So before here, this is the last major area where like price was like came down to retest. And I told you, I put more emphasis on where price is actually stopping. Where is price actually wicking at? Over here, the wick, the wick, the wick, the wick, the wick, the wick. And then it came up and it closed back down here. Same over here, retest, retest, drop, collapse. And that's what I place a lot of my emphasis on. So you see from here how it came up and it shot past this and went straight to this one right here. And this one shot past this one and went straight to this one up here. I'm having the same kind of vibe for the price gets down here again. I don't see it. I mean, maybe it could because it did over here where down, up, down. So this major consolidation area right here. Sorry, guys. So maybe this major consolidation area right here. Okay, great. Like it could happen again. But for some reason, when I say some, I mean the knowledge and experience I have. I do think GA may collapse a little further. If it doesn't, I'm going to switch my bias and trade it up. I just see it clear as day. Even the weekly time frame, look at it. I see the weekly of GA closing this. It's not a gap, but I'm going to call it a gap, even though it's not the correct term for it. I see it clear as day closing this gap. We see right here where price came, wicked all the way down here, closed up here. And what does price want to do then very next week? Come up a little bit, make buyers think it's going to go up, but it's really not, and then get them all out, and we push price all the way down to 1.88 again to close this area right here, which I do think GA will do. I just think it's going to go a little bit further. I'm not saying it's going to do that by the end of this week. It's only Tuesday, basically Wednesday right now because it's 12:49 a.m. But I do think it's going to drop.